Hey guys, it's the annual April Showers, May Flowers collaboration. So go ahead, grab your coffee, tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink, and get yourself a snack. As I stated, it's a collaboration, so you don't want to miss out on a thing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your lovely host here, Gigi Faison, and guys, I welcome you all to my channel here. In today's video, I will be sharing with you a tablescape as part of a collaboration, and it's April Showers Bring About Mayflowers. And in order to be in compliance of this collaboration, we were to include flowers and an umbrella. So I'm choosing to use this decorative umbrella here as part of my styling, and you will see that I will just insert it inside of my floral arrangement here. So there, in compliance. Now it's hosted by Deborah Cabasa Home Living and Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor. Their channel links will be in my description box below. So what you guys are going to see is how I have made some beautiful magic here on this tablescape. What I started out with is definitely not what I have ended up with. And that's okay. Sometimes you start out with something, you have something in your mind, and when you go to put it together, it just don't work out the way that you plan. So in the beginning of the video, you will see that I've tried a few different things and it just didn't work out, just didn't look right for me. So I came back and I redid the table. Some of it I was able to share, and some of you, it was storming last evening. The wind was really high, so it took me longer than I intended for it to take because I had to make a change because I just wasn't happy with the way that it was looking initially. So I'm going to bring you guys in and let you see what I have created here, and I hope that you will enjoy it. All right.
So guys, let's go ahead and let the fun begin. You see here, this is my decorative umbrella that I will be using.
So here, guys, we're going to start right here in this beautiful center, in the centerpiece that I have created. I've added these beautiful yellow candles, tapered candles, added them into the candle holders, And these are some holders that I've had for quite some time. And I thought they would just be a very elegant touch to this space here. This is where I've placed my umbrella inside my beautiful arrangement of flowers that I have resting in this beautiful candle holder here. And then here on the side, I've just added a candle inside the candle holder, the candle ring here I've placed to add a little bit more floral and greenery. And then I have it all resting on this very rustic looking mirror here. Now this mirror is taking the place of using a runner. And so I thought this was just a perfect little match, all of this together, just working so well. And then my place settings here, they are all exactly the same. So I'm just going to share with you these beautiful napkins and the butterflies and the hydrangeas. I thought it would be perfect April shower, bringing about May flowers. We also have butterflies that you will see roaming through the spring. So I decided to use China with this beautiful setup. Could you imagine this out in the garden? White linen on the table and just a beautiful setup. So we have our little soup or salad bowl. We have a little bread plate. We have our dinner plate. And then this is my charger I decided to use. Doesn't this give the illusion of rain against the window pane? And I thought this charger was absolutely perfect and for what I was trying to display here on this table. And then I chose to go with the silver flatware. My stemware, I chose the this green with the gold rim around, and I thought that worked very well with the look of my mirror edging. All right, guys, I hope you will find joy in this table setting that I have created for you guys. Don't forget to check out the host and the co-host of this collaboration. Check out the playlist link of all of the other creators that are participating in the collaboration. A special thanks to Deborah Cabasa Home Living and Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor. And guys, those of you that are new to my channel, I hope that you felt welcomed here, and I would love to have you as part of the family. If you would go ahead and hit that subscribe button, make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any and all up and coming videos that are created on the channel here. For those of you that continue to show me so much love and support, I take this time to say thanks, because April showers is bringing about May flowers. So I hope you guys find some inspiration, some motivation in creating your own lovely space. Goodbye for now. I'm your host, Gigi Faison.